first downloading and installing Onyx Hub, you'll see the Hub icon appear on your desktop. Let's go ahead and launch Onyx Hub by double-clicking the icon. The first window that will pop up is the Onyx Hub controller. Within this window, you'll see your server status, URL, and your IP address with the functionality of starting or stopping your service. On the right-hand side, you'll see here a few different buttons to allow you to change some of your settings, including configure your ports, export data, as well as giving you the option to back up and restore just in case something bad happens. Like if your power goes out unexpectedly and you need to make sure that you can get back all of the data you've got across your entire printing environment. Most importantly, however, from this controller is where you launch Onyx Hub and navigate within all different areas within your printing environment. Stay tuned for the next video to further explore the main functionalities from the Launchpad. Thanks for watching.